I am Captain Andrew Butler. I'm a demo team pilot. So the key maneuvers for the air show performance today will be first off, we'll take off. It'll be a max power takeoff with a tactical climb out to 1,000 feet. And then we will come back around for our high-speed pass, which will be going about 310 knots at 500 feet. And then after that, we'll come around for our slow-speed pass. It'll be about 125 knots at 500 feet. And then we'll come back around for a 360-degree turn at 160 knots. And then from there, we'll come back down and do our tactical approach and our assault landing in about 2,000 feet of runway. And then we'll do our backing maneuver on the runway. So the demo profile showcases just the tactical abilities of the C-17. So that's why we do our tactical departure, the great maneuverability of the C-17 at low altitudes, and then the last things are assault landing, showcasing that we can land at really any airfield anywhere in the world. And then our backing maneuver just shows that not many airplanes can even back themselves, and we can do that using the coordination with our loadmasters. I'd say the most challenging part about executing the demonstration is just making sure we're doing everything safely, right? So making sure we're at a good altitude, good bank angle, safe airspeed while we do everything, and obviously trying to make it look good for the crowd. How we make sure everything runs smoothly throughout the demo is just teamwork. So we have 3 pilots on board, 2 loadmasters, and our 2 crew chiefs that stay with us on the ground. But really it's just working as a team. So each pilot, we have 1 pilot flying, 1 pilot is the pilot monitoring, and then the other pilot's our safety observer. And so they're making sure that we're within all of our parameters, and then our loadmasters, of course, are up there as well, making sure everything is safe from the airplane. And then when we're doing the backing maneuver, we rely on the loadmasters. They're essentially our eyes in the back of the airplane to make sure we're doing everything safely. My favorite part of being the demonstration team is just coming to all the different air shows, talking to kids, and getting everyone excited about flying.
My name is Technical Sergeant Josh Beeler. I'm an aircraft loadmaster on C-17s. The demo showcases pretty much that we can go high or low speed, and then that we can come to a complete stop, do an assault landing, and then go directly into an aircraft backing. So it's kind of showcasing the entire capabilities of the aircraft in a limited time sequence, so in about 12 minutes. Yeah, so we use crew coordination and then communicate and thoroughly brief every time right before we're going to go and execute this demonstration. The big factors that that go into account throughout each that are unique to each demonstration profile is really accounting for the weather and how that's going to impact our flow and what we've practiced to throughout the leading up to the season. Favorite part about being on the demonstration team here at Altus Air Force Base is getting to get out of Altus Air Force Base for a little while and showcase everything that my job entails, and getting to integrate with communities everywhere.
Swift Response 23 είναι ένα κομμάτι μιας μεγάλης άσκησης της Defend Europe 23 και αποτελεί μια μεγάλη ευκαιρία για όλες τις χώρες καθώς και τους οργανισμούς να δουλέψουν μεταξύ τους ώστε να εξασφαλίσουν και να αυξήσουν την διαλειτουργικότητα και την σταθερότητα ανάμεσά τους. Να δημιουργήσουμε μια μεγάλη δύναμη, αποτελεσματικότερη, έτσι ώστε να μπορούμε να αντιμετωπίσουμε οποιαδήποτε απειλή σε θέματα ασφαλείας, η οποία για την αντιμετώπιση της απαιτεί πολυεθνική συνεργασία.
Working with the Hellenic Air Force for about a week now, flying missions out of Thessaloniki, Greece, and supporting the Greek JTACs, the Dutch JTACs, American JTACs. We're going to escort some cargo aircraft tonight that are dropping about 500 paratroopers out. And it's a unique opportunity for us to do split operations in Spain and Greece. We're a big part of NATO, so integrating with different countries has been about the way we've operated for the last 20 plus years. So I think it's important training for United States forces to work with the Greeks and the Spanish and the Dutch. There's a little bit of a language barrier, but we're learning how to work through it, and we've been very successful in our operations to this point.